Hi, you're watching NDTV Swirlster. Now, if you are someone with an oily scalp, you will know how difficult it can be with the rest of your hair care routine. I know it all too well. I have an oily scalp myself. Oily scalps can lead to flaking, it can lead to dandruff, it can even lead to more oiliness and greasiness. But there is one product which can help lessen the condition, and that is dry shampoo. Now, when I think of dry shampoo, there is only one brand that comes to my mind, and it is Batiste. So it is very exciting for me today that I am going to review Batiste dry shampoo. Now I have a couple of them with me in a number of variants and in a number of sizes, like this little guy over here. But I have been a user of Batiste for many years now, and I can say all my experience of using this dry shampoo is definitely not something that is over a couple of weeks old, but definitely over a couple of years old. So keep watching this video to see close-ups of these Batiste dry shampoo, as well as my thoughts having used these products over an extended period of time. Keep watching. Now these are a couple of variants of the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh dry shampoo. This is what they look like in the can, and the prices and the sizes vary accordingly in the range. Now first up, I am going to be talking about this one, which is the original one. It has the original fragrance and it is 50 ml in size. This is what it looks like. At the back are directions about it, and it costs approximately rupees 299 for this 50 ml. Another variant now is the Fruity and Cheeky Cherry, which has a sharp fruity smell with it, and it has a pretty bottle that it comes in. Each of the dry shampoos come in a metal can with a plastic cap and a spray on top. Now at the back of the larger sizes are details as to how you can use it as well, and more details right here about the ingredients in it and the safety precautions basically that you have to take with dry shampoo. The other variant that I have is the dry shampoo plus. It's called plus because it has a hint of color. Now this is an amazing product. It also is 200 ml of product inside this. Now why I find this amazing is especially for brunette hairs like myself. This is great because you do not get that white residue left in your hair when you spray this because of its divine dark color. Apart from that, the details are the same at the back as it is with any other dry shampoo from the range, but it also helps to cover any gray strands or any new hair growth, like white hair growth that's coming up in your roots. This dry shampoo also takes care of that, so that's a nice added touch that this range has. Now here's one which I am currently using, which is the Coconut and Exotic Tropical, and it has a very pretty body. It has flamingos and tropical flowers. Again, the details are the same overall, and this is what it looks like. Again, the spray dispenser, it's also 200 ml of product in this, and like the name suggests, it has a coconut tropical scent which is as good as a pina colada. Keep watching this video and I will tell you my thoughts on using these products. Now Batiste, like I mentioned earlier, is a name that is identifiable in the dry shampoo range, and that isn't something that I have thought of right now. It is in fact something I believed in for a very long time, because I have been using Batiste dry shampoos for ages now. That's what you have to do when you have an oily scalp. In my opinion, these are just a great product to have in your kit if you have an oily scalp. In fact, I have used a number of variants from this entire range. I have experimented with the original, which I find a very refreshing fragrance. This is currently my can which I am on, and this is the coconut tropical one. I love the fragrance of it. It smells again like nothing short of a pina colada in your hair. It smells really fresh and very refreshing. So even if you're worried about your hair getting a little smelly there, these dry shampoos not only take care of the scalp by refreshing the scalp, but also add a nice scent to your hair, so you don't have that kind of consciousness or awkwardness when you haven't washed your hair and you need to just refresh it. This takes care of this. I like that the range has a number of variants, and the variants are not only in terms of flavor but size and features as well. When it comes to flavor specifically, they have so many different kinds. Like I said, the original one, which this one is in, is the most identifiable one. It has that lovely fresh out of the shower fragrance, but I really like the coconut and tropical. It has a really sweet sugary smell to it, and the cherry one has a nice sharp citrus tone, which I really like. Again, there are so many choices that you can make when it comes to flavors, but if we are looking past flavors, I like that it has these two particular products. I like that the size of this is so compact. Even in the smallest of bags, this one fits right in. You won't have to worry too much, and you won't have to worry about washing your hair as well too many times when you have this guy here. Now this one is probably the Mac Daddy of the entire range, because the dry shampoo plus does it all really. It's really specifically crafted for brunette hair like myself and any other brunettes, of course, because it doesn't leave that white residue, which can be irritating when you use dry shampoo. You'll have to really rub it in to get rid of that residue, but this really takes care of that. So not only is it refreshing your hair, but it can also take care of those new white growths that come up, and this works seamlessly with black and brunette hair colors. It works really well. It also has a nice fragrance to it like the rest of the range does. So overall, I would say I have been a lover of Batiste. Like I have said multiple times during this video, that I have been one, and I think that using it with an oily scalp, if you have one, is just a great idea, because not only does it refresh the scalp and leave it nicely scented, but it also can be quite a travel staple and take care of those sly gray hair growing through as well. That's what we think of this range today.